Governor Murphy is declaring a state of emergency as the Jersey Shore braces for the effects of Hurricane Erin, which won't make landfall here, but it's bringing hazardous conditions to the beaches with strong winds and life-threatening rip currents. The National Weather Service says the storm is making its closest pass to our area today, issuing a tropical storm warning along the coast south of Long Branch down past Cape May, warning swimmers to stay out of the ocean. Now, breaking waves will reach as high as 12 feet today. That's the biggest in years. Then drop slightly to between 6 and 9 feet high on Friday. Forecasters say to expect gale force wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour along the coast with a wind advisory in effect. Winds will be slightly lighter inland but still strong. Coastal flooding is also going to be an issue with the biggest impact at tonight's high tide. Officials in Cape May and Atlantic City today said they're preparing for local roads to potentially shut down and urging residents to take their cars to higher ground.